Hello, Florida roofing contractors. John DeRosa here, and I've got some great news for you. Did you know that SRS's TopShield Ice and Water Defender is now one of only 2 underlayments approved by the Florida Building Code to be installed over an existing sand, glass fiber, mineral, or film surfaced roof underlayment on a shingle reroof? So here's what that means for you. Let's assume you need to replace a 10-year-old roof with shingles installed on top of a full coverage ice and water roof deck. If you can't get the ice and water off the roof deck, the ice and water becomes the substrate, which leaves you with only a few options. The first option is to install a synthetic felt over the ice and water substrate, which doesn't get you the insurance discount and may cause your client to question their faith in you. The second option is to install a layer of synthetic felt and then a layer of ice and water protector, which is time and cost prohibitive. The third option is to do a light spray with Resisto aerosol primer and install TopShield's Ice and Water Defender. This is your best option because it's quick, easy, Florida Building Code approved, and it gets you an insurance discount. Now, it's important to remember that the final acceptance of any existing substrate on a re-roof installation is at the discretion of the installer and the authority having jurisdiction. Should a question arise as to the suitability of an existing substrate to receive TopShield's Ice and Water Defender, please contact TopShield at 855-569-1550 or contact Resisto Technical Support. If you want to learn more about SRS's exclusive TopShield residential roofing products and accessories, please visit your local SRS branch or go to srstopshield.com. Thanks for watching.